Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how we use file storage services from within in-house payments. Currently, there is only one integration within in-house payments for file storage services, and this is in the bill pay module, right? This is when you pay people. And we're going to just jump into that in a second. To get to the file storage service module, all I need to do is click on file storage services from my main menu. I currently have one service connected or integrated or added to my accounts. It's an AWS S3 service, and we've called that service S3 Sandbox. All right. I have the in-house payments open in a different tab over here. Just click into it. If we go over to the Make a Payment tab, we can see this nice form that we use to configure payments. Now we have a whole section of multiple videos on paying people, paying subscribers. We have a whole in-house payments tutorial section where you can go over all things payments. Here we're just going to touch file, in-house payments as it has to do with file storage services. So like I said earlier, we only have one integration here, and this is just in the bill pay module, and we're currently in that module. So what we need to do here, if we wanted to connect our file storage service, is just to go over here to file storage service and just click on S3 Sandbox, which is the only one that we currently have in our accounts. If you had more, you would see more options. So what we're doing here is that, ideally what happens when supporting documents are attached to a bill pay, these documents are going to reside on Inhouz Cloud servers. But if you want these documents to, be on your servers, then all you need to do is simply just pick a file storage service at the time of making the payments, and that's it. All supporting files in this payments will be stored within your file storage service. Now, just a quick pointer, just some bonus content. If you do go to your account settings and go to your storage settings, there are quite a few defaults. So you can indeed set the S3 Sandbox as a default for in-house payments. This way you don't necessarily have to do it all the time. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.